This is a central bank meeting week, and also we had some notable reactions in the market, especially after previous week start of Israel and Iran conflict. So we're going to have a look at Fed interest rate decision and looking at US 500, the Bank of Japan decision, and looking at the dollar yen and also the Bank of England, and having a look at the GBPUSD. So having a start from US 500, we can see that the market had a strong rebound around the 30-day SMA and this steep uptrend line around the 59.42 area after we had a significant bearish movement in the previous week. So as long as the market remains to the upside and continue the bullish movement, then the price it may meet the previous peak around the 60-70 region ahead of the all-time high at 60.47. Even higher the price, it may meet the next round numbers such as 6200 and 6300, while even higher the 7000 psychological mark, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of this down leg here from 61.47 to 4800. It may also be a strong obstacle for traders, but there is also a lot of room to cover until this area here. Now, on the other hand, if there is a slip beneath this steep uptrend line, the price it may test the previous lows near the 58.50 region, slightly lower the 200-day SMA at 58.20, and also this bottom here at 57.50. But also, as long as the market remains well above the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, the outlook remains positive. And I think that if there is also a climb above the previous peak, then it would endorse the long-term bullish outlook. Having a look at the technical oscillators now, the RSI is pointing up above the 50 region. However, the MACD is holding slightly beneath its trigger line, but still above the zero area. Now, having a look at dollar yen, as we have the Bank of Japan meeting, we can see that the market is moving within a sideways movement over the last month with strong resistance near the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of the downlink from 148.86 to 139.85 at 144.35. Now, if the price overcomes this region, then there is also another resistance that is very difficult to surpass, the 145.50, and also this long-term descending trend line. Now, a move above this region here, then the price it may add some optimism that we may see some more gains, meeting the 146.30 area and slightly higher the 38.2% Fibonacci at 147.17. Now, to have a more clear bullish outlook here, I think that we have to see a break above the 200-day SMA and the 50% Fibo at 149.40. On the other hand, the slide beneath this support area of 142 to 142.60, the price it may retest the 7-month low at 139.85 and slightly lower the 200 weekly SMA around the 139 region. So the outlook here in dollar yen is bearish, and in the very short-term view is still neutral. The RSI is pointing slightly upwards and it is trying to cross above the 50 region. The MACD is moving with weak momentum slightly above its trigger line, so both of them are mirroring this consolidation phase in dollar yen. And also GBPUSD, as we have the Bank of England decision, the price is holding beneath the 3.5-year high at 1.3630, and is also finding strong resistance near the upper Bollinger Band. So a move above this region, then it will confirm that we may see a new high around the 1.3750 area, which is taken from January of 2022, ahead of the 1.40 round number. Now, we can see that the price is moving with a weak momentum to the upside, but the outlook is still positive, and the price is holding in the upper section of this of the Bollinger Band. Now, if there is a slide beneath the mid-level of the Bollinger Band, then the price it may find first support around the 1.4060 area and even lower the 1.3415. Slightly lower the 50-day SMA at 1.3357 and even lower this uptrend line around the 1.30 to 50 area. Even lower, a decline beneath this uptrend line, it will open the way for a test of the 1.3140 and the 200-day SMA at 1.29 region. A break below the 200-day SMA, then it may unlock the scenario for steeper decreases. The BACT is holding above its zero line, but is taking beneath its trigger line. However, the RSI is sloping upwards above the 50 region, so we have some mixed signs here. I think that the price needs more boost to surpass the 3.5-year high. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching and have a great day.